Alright, this time I'm going to try to not resort to the discussion panel. The availability of this this feature is making me kind of give up. So I'm going to try to do this one all on my own. And whether my results are correct or wrong, then I will do code review and provide my commentaries on it. The prompt says, find all wineries which produce wines by possessing aromas of plum, cherry, rose, or hazelnut. To make it more simple, look only for singular form of the mentioned aromas. Output unique winery values only. To make it more simple, look only for singular form of mentioned aromas. Okay, let's just look at what the table looks like. ID, country, wine description, designation, points, price, province, region. So many unnecessary columns, variety, and winery. We're gonna say run so that we can see which column aroma is under. Find all wineries which produce wines by possessing aromas of plum, cherry, rose, or hazelnut. Okay, so these are the things we need to look for. Plum. I did not spell plum right. Plum. Plum. Oh my goodness. Oh, interesting. It's in the description. Okay, that's fine. We will parse strings from description. To make it more simple, look only for singular form of mentioned aromas. Are we meaning to say only if it has plum or cherry or rose or hazelnut? Or is it plum, cherry, rose, and hazelnut? Or is it a combination? You know, actually, I have an idea. With SQL, one of the cool things is you can do something like this, plum. And then it'll capture anything that's mentioned before plum or after plum. So we'll just do that for all the aromas. To make it more simple, look only for singular form of the mentioned aromas. Output unique. Just gonna take one of these results. Bella Piazza. Bella Piazza. Piazza. 2Z. So this one has hot, tannic, and simple with cherry jam and currant flavors, accompanied by high tart acidity and chili pepper alcohol heat and unbalanced wine. There's no mention of one of the flavors. Cherry, rose, hazelnut, plum. Ha. Where does it say plum, cherry? Oh. Okay, wow. I'm glad I'm illiterate. So it says cherry. Okay, so it possesses one of the 4 aromas we're looking for. So I'm hoping that each of the results do not have combinations. Or, you know what? I guess we could say something like this. Plum or, and then plum or, and then wrap this in cherry. Or just keep adding ors, and then rose. Or hazelnut. Hazelnut. Okay, like that. That's how I'm going to query the strings. It says too, use the, regex, respecting word boundaries. What is this? Interesting. Use the or operator. Okay, so that's what I plan on doing. Use where clause to apply conditions to the days. Okay, so where the description, is it? Or description, where this column contains SQL. Let's do not MySQL, but pre-SQL. What's this called? Oh, Postgre. Oh my. PostgreSQL. Select string contains. Okay, yeah, this is what I like. Select column from this table where, like, da 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 da. But what's this? Select column table where, like, tag name. No. Select column table position. No. Where string possesses tag name. This is and statement. Another and. Okay, no. Let me regex SQL. How regex. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing this right. And SQL works. Regex, or regular expression, is a sequence of characters used to search to locate specific sequence of characters that match a pattern. Oh, I see. Does this mean... Because in Pandas, this means to negate what is to follow. So the asterisk means everything. This means... percent sign just means... It's kind of like a wild card, but it just means these can be random, but these are more fixed after the percentage sign. So I have my aromas wrapped in percentage signs because there will be words that follow the fixed value that I put here. Interesting. Oh yeah. Similar to like, okay, let me just go ahead and copy this. Select, we need to select, oops, just this column, winery. Yeah, the very last column. Select the last column from Wine Mag page 1 from, can't believe they don't have an underscore for email addresses. I don't think tables are accepted without underscores. Where, and we want, what column is it? Description, I think. Yeah, description. Where description. Just gonna leave that little guy there. and then start inserting my OR statements. Or I don't know if I should use or the vertical bar. I think one vertical bar is or, two vertical bars is and. I guess I'll worry about that once the time comes. Hazelnut. Where description. Oh dear. That probably did not go. Oh. Regular expressions. Select everything from this table where this I'm going to do this. Where column and then say regex. Regex. Maybe I need it capitalized. This or this or this or this, yeah. Let's make these notes. Just try plum. Equals. Regexp. Regular expression. Regexp. Let's just try for plum. No. Hold on, I need this one. Select this column. Did I not spell winery correctly? Winery from. Just give that a try. Nope. Guess I only need the comma if I have another column I'm querying for from here. This is not working for me. Select name from where. Let's just use like statements. Regex is too fancy. Select. We'll use this. One thing I noticed is indentation does not matter with SQL. Select where. Description. Like, and then we'll say plum. go ahead and take this out. Interesting. Select this column from where description is like. I'll use similar. Two kinds. Gives true if it matches a given pattern. They did it like this. Pos X operator. In this case, you could use a case insensitive operator. You would need to write both uppercase and lowercase letters inside a character clause. Oh, here's an array of text that you're querying for? No. I'm just gonna use this. Or description like. Are you kidding me? Has that been the problem this whole time? Okay, please do something, output something. Praise. Okay, fine, we're getting there. Let's see if we can do ORs. Or this way or this way. Okay, that works. No, it's overwhelmed. You know? This is really inefficient, but what we're going to do is just copy this line over and over. This is not the most efficient way to query. Wait, but then it's thinking all of these. Or statements. SQL. Let's see how they handle multiple filters. And condition, or condition. This is what I was trying to do. Or condition. Let's see an example of this. City equals or city equals. Because I need to call the column again. Or. Oh dear. I should stop saying. No commas. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Nice. Wrapping all the conditions for the where statement. That looks good. Find all wineries which produce wines by possessing aromas of plum, cherry, rose, or hazelnut. To make it more simple, look only for singular form of the mentioned aromas. Output unique winery values only. Unique, unique, unique. Do I say distinct? I'm gonna go ahead and open this on another tab just to make sure there are no duplicates. Bordeaux. Okay. La Capella. Okay, I don't see. I'm just gonna go for it. I don't see duplicates. Actually, let's look at this. Ooh. They have it alphabetized. I'm not sure that'll impact this. I'm just gonna submit it and see if it accepts. No. Willifer? What's oh. Wow. That is unfortunate. So Willifer is not on my table, but I have these 3 drinks that are on my table. That's not supposed to be in this table. Yeah, I bet I needed some. I bet I should have said something like select distinct in the winery. But let's look at the discussion. That's where it was. But look how efficient they were. This is great. Okay, so this is how you properly do regex. I guess they standardize text parsing by lowercasing everything. That's a smart thing to do. Interesting. This person did it like me. They did distinct as well. Should they have put their winery in parentheses? No. Okay. I bet the reason it wasn't accepted was they didn't have a semicolon. Alright. I am proud of myself for not looking at the discussion board, and I'm proud of myself for predicting that writing a distinct in front was going to correct my solution. So if I were to run it again, this is what it would look like. Yeah. Good learning experience.